we look am from another angle. Now he mentioned something about Mo Salah, the kind level of performance wey this guy don put up since wey everybody don know am and since wey don come England. E still no dey in the level of people wey dey win Ballon d'Or. E still no dey in the level of people wey dey win all these prestigious awards in the world, in the football world. E show say something dey wrong somewhere.
Small truth dey wetin Jimmy Carragher talk. Small truth. Ademola Lookman win the CAF Player of the Year. No be because of the AFCON performance. You dey feel me? When Osimhen win the African Player of the Year, remember no be AFCON year. Wetin dem use give am that award? Because of his performance with Napoli.
Yes.
Because they say he win league with them. So sometimes even if you get a very good performance for AFCON, e no dey reflect for wetin you do for maybe the general giving you of award. But if you no get the correct European performance to back am up, my sister, nothing dey for you. So small truth today.
Football Republic. Yeah, man.